Before the bell, U.S. indices closed mixed on Friday to finish the week. Shares in technology, hardware and equipment, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology and life sciences, and retailing sectors closed lower, while shares in utilities, food and staples retailing, and insurance sectors ended positively. On the economic docket, CPI rose 2% year-over-year in April, and core CPI grew 2.1%. In other news, monthly budget posted $160.3 billion in April. This as 69% of SP 500 constituents traded higher Friday. Now, after hours, Goldman Sachs may acquire United Capital Financial Advisors for several $100 million, according to the Wall Street Journal. Turning overseas, Asian markets down today. The Nikkei 225 down 0.72%. The Hang Seng closed. China CSI 300 down 1.65%. South Korea's Kospi down 1.38%. European indices are trading lower, and U.S. futures call for a negative start. In terms of expectations today, Take-Two Interactive is expected to report fourth quarter EPS of $73.80 versus 74 cents last year on higher revenues of $508.7 million from $411.4 the previous year. On the economic docket today, there's no major economic data, so we go straight up over to the markets. The SP 500 is where we begin, and that's in focus. The SP 500 is turning down. The relative strength index calls for a new down leg. Short positions below 28.75 are favored, with targets at 28.32 and 28.15 in extension. The Nasdaq sees the downside prevail, while the Dow Jones sees its target 25,390.